Charts provide a visual representation of your data, making it easier to analyze. For example, I want to create a chart for sales to see if there's a pattern. I select the cells I want to use for the chart, click the Quick Analysis button, and click the Charts tab. Excel displays recommended charts based on the data in the cells selected. You can hover over each one to see what looks good for your data. Clustered column is great for comparing data, so I click it. And now I have an eye-catching chart of the data. It looks like the summer months are slower and the winter months are busier. Up next, create pie, bar, and line charts.